Today we will learn about Newton's laws of motion, force and motion at work. Relationship between force and motion. An object free to move will move once acted upon by force. A push, pull or twist upon an object. It is often a result of an interaction between two objects. Motion. Inertia. It is an object's resistance to changing its motion. Velocity, the speed and direction of an object in motion. Acceleration, the change in an object's velocity. Apart from gravity, Newton also explained how the balance of forces affect an object's movement. When forces are balanced, the object will remain in its state of motion either at rest or in constant motion. But when the forces are unbalanced, the object will either speed up, slow down, or change its direction. Newton's first law of motion, which is also called law of inertia. Objects in motion will stay in motion, and objects at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. The golf ball will remain on the ground until the golfer hits it. Newton's second law of motion, the law of acceleration, states that the acceleration of an object with constant mass is proportional to the net force action on it and is in the same direction of the net force. The car accelerates forward since the force due to its engine is greater than the friction on the road. Newton's third law of motion, the law of action and reaction. Every action force has a reaction force that is equal in size and opposite in direction. On a rocket launch, the shuttle exerts a downward force, and the reaction force of the same size pushes it upward. Force and motion are related because motion is a result of force. The motion of an object depends on the balance of forces acting on it. Newton's laws of motion are the law of inertia, the law of acceleration, the law of action and reaction.